Mula noong namulat ang mata, taglit kong nalaman na ikaw pala ang hinahanap kong tahimik. Bawat paghingay isang tulat, usapang malalim. Kahit pa walang magsalita, nakapikit habang hawak.
Tomorrow is exactly 8 years since the day I said yes to this relationship. You have become my source of hope and strength, and a shoulder I can lean on. I believe you have been the best guide for me through this journey called life.
Ngayon sa'yo'y mahirap nang mawalay. Kung may ibig
to you. Thank you for walking into my life 8 years ago. Here's to capturing more memories together. Joey, I love you back. Thank you, ba.
Mula nung araw,
na-realize ko na yung love pala ay parang pagtugtog ng gitara. Kailangan ng mahabang pasensya, kagaya sa pagtutono. Dahil hindi sa lahat ng pagkataon, apinado ang tono. Madalas sa katagalan, o minsan napapaigpit ang tipa, napapatid ang string. Kaya kailangan maging marahan, mapagpasensya at maingat.
lang magpakalunod sa iyong mga mata. Sambahin ka habang buhay hanggang
Yung sa mag-asawa, kailangan nandyan yung respeto, pagmamahal, at saka tiwala sa isa't isa.
Leo and May, just do your best and let God do the rest. Okay? What you can do it, what you cannot, let God do it for you. Because after all, as I said, God is the author and director of your life, of your love. To both of you, our prayers, our congratulations.
Kung may ibig man
Nakakasad kasi wala siya to share this moment with us, this new chapter of my life being here. Kasi diba, having a father in a wedding is a really big thing for me. Tapos nung nawala siya 2 years ago, syempre it really made me sad during that time. So
payapa, mula nung araw na nasilayan ka. Hindi maitagong sayan, pananabik.
Yeah!
Habang ako'y humihinga, hindi mawawala. Nandito na ako, aking sinta. Hindi maitagong
kuha kami flowers. To Mrs. Atienza, today I choose you. Today I'm promising you a lifetime of happiness and to always walk beside you. I promise to love you for all that you are, all that you have been, and all you are yet to be.
Wow! Walang ganda.
Ako'y namamangha.
Sabi nga sa Isaiah chapter 60 verse 22, when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. And I must say, majority of the people here can attest to that. We were very scared and apprehensive, but you were persistent, and I'm so lucky that I get to meet someone who can respect and wait for the right time.
I love it!
Sa'yo lang ang pag-ibig ko, lagi mong alalahanin.
Now, if I ever ever did anything right in my entire life, it was when I said yes to you for the first time. And that was 8 years ago. I love you.
Hindi maitagong saya't pananabik kong labis-labis. Sa'yo lang ang pag-ibig ko, lagi mong alalahanin. Hindi maitagong saya't pananabik kong labis-labis. Sa'yo lang ang pag-ibig ko, lagi mong alalahanin.
Dirito lang ako palagi sa tabi mo, nakaalalay at sumisigaw ng suporta, kagaya ng paborito mong kupunan, Ginebra! Ginebra! Ba, sa kahit anong laban, hindi kita bibitawan, higit sa lahat, araw-araw kitang pipiliin. Mamahalin kita hanggang sa final buzzer ng buhay ko. I love you.